Hi and welcome to Preloved Chica. In this episode I'm going to be opening the box, and in here there are all kinds of different treats from Sherry, Confessions of a Refashionista. So let's see what's in the box. So I've broken into this. If you don't know the backstory, is that I sent a parcel to Sherry and she sent this parcel to me. So let's just take a look at what she has sent me. Right, wow, there's a whole weight of things in here. Let's just take a look. This is like Christmas, isn't it? Wow. Well, a lovely letter, but I'm not sure what's in there yet. I'll come back to that. So, oh my gosh, little cutie leopard print, little soft thing. This is going to bed with me tonight. So there's that, and oh wow, so we've got a Preloved thrift shop scores just for you. So let's see what's in here, shall we? Oh my gosh, there's so many things, beautifully packaged as well. So, oh, I love this. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. I'm going out later on, so one of these items may well end up as my new preferred item of the day. And look at that. Look at those colours. Oh, that's really nice. That actually might look quite nice over this top that I've got on. And we've got this. Oh, whoa, Sherry, you know I like minis. Look at that little number with a very exquisite, pointy bottom. And they keep on coming. Sherry, thank you. Oh, well, this has got to be my favourite. You know what I'm like with a bit of bling. Look at that. And it's purple. I love, 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 love this. But there's some other things as well. Oh, look at that sweet Chinese, Japanese little handbag for keeping your treasures in. How marvellous is that? Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, there's more and more. Oh my word. Wow, what's this? Oh, Sherry. Oh, that's pretty as well. What a lovely colour. It's like a cardigan with a beautiful collar. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so nice. I feel very spoiled. This is the best thing you can ever do. Find a pen pal somewhere in the world that loves Preloved and agree to do a swap, you know, because you have so much fun when you open the box. Gosh. And this, oh my word, oh my word, I have never seen anything quite like that. It's almost like tie-dye, but it's silk, and yet it's got all those ruffles, all those kind of folds, creases in it, and it's just so different. Where on earth, Sherry, did you find that? Pause for dramatic effect. And there's more. Oh, well look at this. Well, do you know, I don't know about this. This must be a belt. You've actually produced a belt made out of 2 ties. That's because you are the Refashionista. You know how to do these things. And I want to make sure you come over to the UK so you can show me how to use this sewing machine that I've got. It's an old Singer sewing machine. I've got no clue. But wow, look at that. And another little bag. And another little pouch. Oh my gosh, I'm going to try some of these things on, and one of these things is something I'm going to wear tonight when I go to see a blues band at the pub up the road. So thank you so much, Sherry. I really appreciate it. So that's Confessions of a Refashionista. Go check her website, go check her YouTube channel, because it's full of tips on how you can refashion your clothes, how you can turn something from one thing into something else. Okay, so not only were there lots of clothes, we've got some beautiful business cards from Confessions of a Refashionista, and some information about the services that she offers. Do you know, you can actually get a wardrobe refashion. How cool would that be? And of course, the amazing thing in here is she's told me exactly what's in the package. Massive hugs and beer squeezes from Canada. Same hugs to you too, lovely. And she said that she hopes I love all these beautiful things. And if not, of course, I can feel free to pass them on. And it may be that some of these things will get passed on. But that's all good, because we're all about recycling and passing the love on of our clothes to other people. So we've got a crazy bright quirky blouse, a shiny top and skirt, a funky little bag, a couple of fun pins, an awesome sequin dress, that's got to be my favourite I have to say, and a snuggle monster made from scraps, which is so cool, funky cardigan with lace pockets, perfect for layering, a loose-fitting splatter blouse. Now that, she says, looks fab with jeans. That's so unusual. A vintage hoodie, no, a vintage necktie wrap belt. I thought that was the belt. An upcycled fancy fanny pack. That's an American term. We don't use that term in Britain, I have to say. An upcycled bracelet and a scrappy gift bag. Wow. So I'm going to try some of these things on so you can see what they look like on. Thanks ever so much everyone for watching. Bye for now. Preloved Chica, passion for fashion.